Today we're at the Calgary Airport Marriott in-terminal hotel. It has a spacious bathroom, very clean and modern. We have 2 queen beds. And since it's a runway room, we have a lovely view over the runway, the city of Calgary, and mountains in the distance. There's a mini fridge, but nothing is inside it. A good-sized desk area with complimentary water. Inside the cabinet, you'll find the safe, the iron, and an ice bucket. And next to it, we have a small closet with the ironing board. There is a small coffee machine and some teas and coffees provided, but we didn't end up using it. All in all, it's a lovely hotel that's super convenient right inside the airport. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to check out our Instagram, Soulmate Adventures. Thanks!